Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox one of my personal favorite. When I bought this back then, even now, it's a custom 11 Camaro. So I was not really sure whether I actually had this casting or not. But today when I was going through my collection, I found this and I was so happy that I actually had this. So this was 2023. Yeah, 2023 March. So we got it around April 2023 here in India. So I don't remember which case this is, but I was really happy when I bought this one, and even now I'm really happy that I'm still having this. Okay, so let's unbox this and see how this one actually looks. Even I'm really curious after a long time because I totally forgot this. I had this casting, and I was happy to find out that I actually have this one with me. Okay, here is the card art that looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, that is something out of like what you can say, like a mechanical engineer's uh, design book. Being a mechanical engineer myself, I really love this one. The way they put that graphics on this one. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks absolutely gorgeous. The livery on this one looks unique compared to the other artwork they normally do, the art cars. So you can see the car here, and you can see it here, and you can see the rear of the car here, the livery I'm talking about. So that is something new, at least for me. I never actually saw livery like this before. So this is the first for me, and it looks absolutely beautiful. And it doesn't have any headlight or tail light details. Headlights are, uh, I don't know if it is. Okay, this is engraved, and it's just white painted on top of it. So so the whole theme looks really beautiful. See, it has this blue tinted windshield. So it is a little bit too much blue, but it suits this particular casting. You can see the interior here. The roof scoop looks really nice, and the hood details looks really nice. And this part here on the hood, that is plastic, the black ones. And so the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic. The chassis has some level of detailing to it, which looks really nice. I really love the way they actually went with full blue tire, wheels, instead of just painting the rim out in blue color, because it is really beautiful for this particular casting. Okay, so again, the body including the spoiler, which is metal. So if I missed out, okay. So this side you can see that net here, but this side nothing is there. That is a really nice attention to detail. It is really beautiful. So let's weigh this casting now. 35 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, it rolls good. It is not fast, but it rolls good. There's a little bit of wheel wobble on the rear wheel, but considering it rolls really good, being a 2023 casting where I never had any luck on the rolling part with like 90% of the castings, this one does its job really well. Okay, let's rate this casting now. So okay, one more thing. So you can see the Chevy logo here, which is embossed, and again the lights are engraved, which is not painted. Okay, so we need to keep that in mind while rating. Okay, so I would take point 0.5 out of it, even though I love the casting so much. I need to be like, uh, I need to be on the common ground when I'm rating. So it doesn't matter what brand, or whether I love the brand or love the car, whatever it is. It is just about this particular manufacturer and how they're doing it. Okay, so I'm taking point 0.5 out of 10 because there are no headlight and tail light details. So 9.5 out of 10. But man, this is an absolutely gorgeous car. I am happy that I have this. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.